guys, welcome back to my channel. As usual, I'm gonna try not to do any long talking, just get straight to the point because you guys are here for a review, not me talking. But yeah, this hair is from Luvme hair. It is a very cute curly bob with HD lace. So if you guys want to see how to achieve this look without any glue, without any spray, like you see, look at this. If you want to know how to achieve this look to have a hot summering look, then you just keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Alright, so I'm going to take the wig. Oh, you guys can't see. Okay, well, it came out of this. And it's from Luvme hair. This is it right here. So there's a mesh on it, like a protective mesh for the hair. Did anyone's mothers used to wear this like to go to sleep? I have like throwbacks, like my aunts in the States, like they used to wear like these hair nets all the time to go to sleep. Right, so automatically it is gorgeous, you guys. This is my first time seeing it with you guys. I can tell it's HD. Why? Because whenever the lace is like this, I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of, it's stringy. There's a word for it. I'll figure it out, but yeah. But I can tell it's HD. The lace is such good quality, and not only that, but it's already bleached and pre-plucked, which is great, okay? And then from what I'm seeing, it's also already parted into a middle part. So on for the inside, it has the two combs here, and it has one comb at the bottom, and it has the adjustable strap. I love adjustable straps, you guys, because it just fits to any head. Like if you want it tighter, you just adjust it like this, and if you want it looser, then you just put it like so. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, it feels so good. It is so cute. It's nice and full, and you guys, look at this. Like this is what you call HD. This right here is what you call HD. And the fact that I don't even have to bleach the knots or pluck it, I don't know if I mentioned that, but yeah, it's already pre-plucked. This is just great, you guys. So I am already loving this off the bat. And what's crazy is literally, like, this is just out of the package. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't wet it. I didn't do anything. This is just out of the package, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the lace, and I'm also going to put my bronzer on it so that it could be the same color as my forehead. So let me just go do that right now. Yeah, so to take off the lace, to cut the lace, I'm not even going to do anything else but really just cut it. You guys have seen me do this before. So what I do is I take my eyebrow scraper and then I cut it. But because this is HD hair, I always leave a little tiny bit of lace around the perimeter of the actual hairline, so I don't cut straight on the hairline. Like, I leave a little bit of space. Why? Because yes, that's the word I was looking for. It's fringy, like the lace fringes. Because it's HD, it basically, HD means it's high definition, aka it's an amazing quality lace. So if you cut right on the hairline, over time it's just going to fray, and it's not going to, you know, you're not going to like it. So yeah, and I don't cut straight in a straight line. Like, you have to cut, like, you know, in a wavy way so that it doesn't look like, you know, it's not actually coming from your scalp. Do I have to hide for you guys to see it. Yeah, I cut it and you see it's not in a straight line, right? Okay. And as you can tell, like it is blended. But again, for it to be amazing, and also what I'm trying to do is not use any glue, anything like that, like not even spray or whatever. So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty matchstick, and this is in the color Espresso. And this is not my foundation shade. This is the shade of my forehead. You want to get whatever is closest to your forehead so it can look like it's coming from scalp, okay? My forehead is much darker, so this is why I have to use this color. But yeah, I just put some on this flat brush right here. All right, and then I'm going to apply it. I'm just going to, like I'm painting it. I'm going to now apply it back. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to make sure that my wig cap, so this is a wig cap that I was wearing from another wig, so it already does have the bronzer on it, but I'm going to reapply it over here because it seems like the foundation left a bit. So, and this is to make sure that under the lace, especially it's HD lace, so it will show everything. So this is just to make sure that it blends in nicely. And I could do it all around, but that's just gonna waste it, only because it's not a frontal, it's just a closure. So at the end of the day, it's just going to be in the middle. And if I want to do a side part, then I just adjust it to the side. Bit more, it looks better. So now I'm going to put on the wig, just like so. And then you can adjust it to wherever you want it on your forehead. I have a huge forehead, so I put it like down more. And then I usually just try to make sure it's nice and adjusted. When you have that adjustable band at the back, you really don't even need the combs or anything like that. So I'm not even using the combs. So this is the hair. I love the curls. I refuse to even put mousse in it. Like, this is so beautiful, you guys. Like, and look how it's just blending. Do you see how it blends so nicely? Oh my gosh. You guys, if there's one thing Luvme Hair is gonna do, is not let me down, ever. So far, every single wig I have gotten from them is absolutely amazing. All right, so now we can try to customize it, you guys. You know, I'm always gonna give you guys some tips on how to make your hair look bomb.com. So as you know, this is a closure. We're gonna make it look like a frontal, okay? So what we're gonna do is add baby hairs. So already we can see that it's like blend, lace, and then what's this, right? Don't worry about it, we're gonna camouflage that. This wig came with an edge brush. Amazing. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to take a little bit of hair from here, right? Just the ends, you guys, just the ends. You don't need to be too crazy with it, okay? And then we're gonna blend it like this. See how it already looks like a frontal, you guys? That's my secret, okay? Don't be telling people, okay? Now I'm going to take my mousse. I'm gonna put some mousse in my hand, well, on my finger, and then I'm going to put it right here, right on the baby hair, like this. And then the rest I could just, you know, put it a little bit on the hair or whatever. And now I'm going to take my edge brush and I'm going to comb the hair down. Yeah, just like that. Comb the hair down. And then I kind of like put it underneath where the combs are, a little bit behind my ears. And you guys, I need a mirror. Okay, so it's not looking perfect, but that's fine because again, the hair is going to, like, it's just trying to give it an illusion. It's not like you're actually gonna put your hair back because it's not a frontal. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. Oh, I took way too much mousse. Okay, where's the baby hairs I took? Okay, right here. And then you make sure you get the mousse at the, make sure to get the mousse at the root so that it really lays down like that. And the rest I'll just put on the hair. Okay. There, this side cooperated much more. Okay. Yeah, so this is fine, and this is like this. So you see how like it gives the illusion, like even if the wind blows a little bit, like it gives the illusion of a frontal. That's what we're looking for. Review time, like full review. The texture of the hair is so soft, so amazing, worth the money. Okay, like it's amazing. I'm like, I can't stop touching it. The texture of the hair is beautiful. There is, I don't want to pull out the hair, but nope, there was no shedding. I would have felt it from before, like when I got the package out. Like you see this, like I just pulled on it. Nope, it doesn't come out, it stays in the hair. And as I always say, when it comes to curly hair, it's so hard to get good curly hair that does not shed. Luvme Hair, thank you so much, because you guys are always sending me hair that does not shed. And it's crazy because when it comes to curly hair, you guys, that will shed so much. I did a whole bunch. This is one of the videos of my mini series of summer hair from Luvme Hair. And I think so far this one is maybe my favorite. No, yeah, I think this one's my favorite so far. But you guys tell me, which one is your favorite? I am loving this. This is one of 4 videos of short curly hair. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like this. And yeah, when it comes to blending, it's perfect. And have you guys realized I didn't glue this down? I didn't glue this down at all. And look how it looks. It is blended. It is beautifully blended. Okay, so I'm very happy about that. I actually have a baby shower that I'm going to this weekend, so this is the wig I'm gonna be wearing. So yeah, again, thank you so much to Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video and never letting me down. And before you leave, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Afraid, I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you.